Hi, we at Granny Industries would like to show our thing for zero emission vehicles goals to help save the world. Now, what does the world need saving from exactly? Well, although that may not be clear, there is a problem with the world. So, Naomi will explain those issues.
Problem. Car pollutants cause immediate and long-term effects on the environment. Car exhausts emit a wide range of gases and solid matter, causing global warming, acid rain, harming the environment, and human health. These could affect the air we breathe, the plants and animals we eat, and even the life on the planet itself.
Our solution, zero-emission vehicles. As there is so much to be done, a step that could be taken to reduce greenhouse gases and help cleanse our planet is to begin using zero-emission vehicles. A zero-emissions vehicle is a vehicle that does not emit exhaust gas or other pollutants from the onboard source of power. Modern zero-emission vehicles typically use electricity to power an electric motor, which powers the car. This would help our planet to lower CO2 emissions and make our air breathable and life sustainable.
Hi, my name is Marcelino and this is my part. Design. Our idea for a concept would be a car or automobile with an interchangeable and rechargeable battery. This would give the car the potential to charge at home or in numerous other places where a car may be situated, like for example, a hotel. This may make the car more efficient and even make the car last longer on the road without stopping. So this was our rough draft design.
This is our initial design for the vehicle. Now, it may look very simplistic, and that's because it is, but this design perfectly represents as a basic version of what we want this to be.
And this was our final design.
But how does it work? Well, first the battery goes into all 4 of the battery ports in the car. There's 2 in the front and 2 in the back. This is for equal weight distribution. When the battery is inserted into all of the battery ports, the ports send energy from those batteries and uses them to power the power bed, which then sends energy to the vehicle and keeping it moving.
And these would be our charging methods for our car.
Now you may be wondering how our batteries get their charge. Well, it's quite simple and all revolves around its charging stations. These charging stations are similar to gas stations you may see out on a drive. However, our charging stations are connected to solar farms, and as such, the charging stations will charge your batteries insanely fast. Now, one may forget to go to a charging station when they get home, so we have a solution. We have made it our portable, at-home charging stations. And not only that, we've teamed up with Grid Alternatives just to have a way to save families from poor energy by giving them solar panels. Now, this is a big opportunity. A study shows that if all of the UK switched to electric cars, total carbon emissions would be reduced by 12%. Now, imagine how large it would drop if everyone, or even most people, switched to electric cars. Total emissions may be reduced by 40 or even 60%. We may not be able to stop all fossil fuels in the world, especially ones that involve air or sea transportation. But by changing land transportation, we could do a lot to help our planet. Now, in conclusion, some of you may be wondering how this will help in the long run. Firstly, we have our power source, which comes from an abundant source of renewable energy, solar energy. The solar energy goes from the sun and into our charging stations, which may be situated in either our charging lot, which is connected to solar farms, or our at-home charging stations, which also serves as a power source for a home. The then charged battery goes into one of 2 places. They can go into our car and be used as a form of transportation, or in our transport trucks as a means of delivery, which can reduce carbon footprint from those old trucks. And this concludes our zero emission project.
Hey, can you throw me another Capri Sun?